Texan Global School. Multiplication. 1 times table. In this class, the multiplication of integers is analyzed. Specifically, 1 times table. Remember that multiplication is repeated addition. This means multiplying two numbers implies adding one of them, the number of times the other. According to the identity property, any number multiplied by 1 results in the same number. Let's see the first example. Multiplying 1 times 1 means that we add 1 only one time. Therefore, 1 times 1 is 1. The model represents a square of 1 row by 1 column. So, we have only one unit. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 1 is 1. If we now multiply 1 times 2, this means that we add 1 2 times. Or we add 2 one time. Therefore, 1 times 2 is 2. The model represents 1 row by 2 columns. Thus, having 2 squares or 2 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 2 is 2. Now, multiplying 1 times 3. We can add 1 3 times. Or add 3 one time. Therefore, 1 times 3 is 3. The model represents 1 row by 3 columns, resulting 3 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 3 is 3. So, multiplying 1 times 4. We add 1 4 times. Or add 4 one time. Therefore, 1 times 4 is 4. The model represents 1 row by 4 columns, resulting 4 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 4 is 4. Then, reviewing the multiplication of 1 times 5. We can add 1 5 times. Or add 5 one time. Therefore, 1 times 5 is 5. The model represents 1 row by 5 columns, resulting 5 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 5 is 5. Now, multiplying 1 times 6. We add 1 6 times. Or add 6 one time. Therefore, 1 times 6 is 6. The model represents 1 row by 6 columns, resulting 6 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 6 is 6. Then, multiplying 1 times 7. We can add 1 7 times. Or add 7 one time. Therefore, 1 times 7 is 7. The model represents 1 row by 7 columns, resulting 7 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 7 is 7. Reviewing the multiplication of 1 times 8. We add 1 8 times. Or add 8 one time. Therefore, 1 times 8 is 8. The model represents 1 row by 8 columns, resulting 8 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 8 is 8. Now multiplying 1 times 9. We add 1 9 times. Or add 9 one time. Therefore, 1 times 9 is 9. The model represents 1 row by 9 columns, resulting 9 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 9 is 9. Finally, multiplying 1 times 10. We add 1 10 times. Or add 10 one time. Therefore, 1 times 10 is 10. The model represents 1 row by 10 columns, resulting 10 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 1 times 10 is 10. In summary, any number multiplied by the ones results in the same value. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 9, 9. 1 times 10, 10. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com